Hello, how you doing, family? My name is Mutwana. If you FaceTime here, make sure you share this video to a lot of people. So after we finish this video, we'll be able to solve this question right here. And this means two of this question, okay? So you're going to be able to solve all this question here. All this type of question. All of this. See all this revenue, you know what I'm saying? See? So, excuse me. So all this question, people, you should be able to solve. So this question comes from Morongwa. All the way come from Limpopo all the way, or wrong with him, China, please help me out with this question. I do this these projects and have this type of question and they give me a lot of hard time. So this question dedicated to Morongo. Okay. Now let's go. So now this question here, let's say solve. Let's get started. Yeah, let's say here a tool hiring company, this company, tool hiring company has estimated that the rate of increase. Oh, so there's a rate. The rate of increase of maintenance is given by equation. Oh, so there's a rate is given by this equation. So what does that mean? T represent time. Means if you replace this time with whatever you have, and then if this time in weeks, we're gonna get the rate now. So T represent the time, and the C is a rate. So in the question here, they say calculate the total maintenance cost for the first 4 weeks. So what that represent weeks? Okay, so the weeks we represent weeks is the time, which is we measure in weeks, and that time is represented by T. So we're gonna replace wherever there's a T with the 4 weeks. So we're gonna say now C 4 equal to 2 plus 2 plus what plus 4 means in the position of 2 we put 4 because of 4 weeks, and then we're going to say 4 here and then 1.5. So what we can do now, we can simply plug this in the calculator and get a final answer. Okay, so like I said, this question dedicated to Morongo. Okay, so we're going to come here and clean it quick. Let's clean this question. Okay, come right here, and then we say so we're going to start with the 2 and then plug 2 here, and then we say plus bracket 4 another bracket. They come in a fraction quick, and they plug 1.5 1 power 5, exactly how we see, and it's going to give us 10. So here in the option is going to be the first option. Okay, so the first option is our answer. These are answer. So this is going to be the rate. See, the total maintenance cost. C represent cost. So the total maintenance cost is what is 10. Could be dollar, it could be rand. 10. If we have to do for 4 weeks. See? Now let's go to the next question. Next question is very easy. See? But before we go to the next question, please, if you FaceTime here, make sure you come here, family, and subscribe if you have not yet. See? You make sure you come here and subscribe if you're not yet. Okay? So like I said, this question dedicated to a student from Limpopo. Now let's go. So let's say a marginal revenue function of a firm is given by, we have a marginal revenue, and what do they want? They say now where Q is the number of units. Okay, means if let's say unit are 2, means I'm gonna say, for example, find the marginal revenue if our unit is 2. So I'm gonna say, for example, so say marginal revenue, I'll plug in the position of Q, I'll put 2, I'll plug 2, and then I'm gonna get the total marginal revenue. But that's not part of the equation. The equation say they want you to find find the expression for the total revenue. So we have a marginal revenue, and then we want to get what? Total revenue. How do we get total revenue from marginal revenue? Easy. So look, if you integrate the marginal revenue, see, TQ, you're gonna get the total. If you integrate, you get total cost. That's how you do. It's easy like that. So if you integrate marginal revenue, you get total cost plus constant C. What do you mean about it? Now let me show you how we do it. So we're gonna say now integral. What is our marginal revenue? Our marginal revenue is 10 square, 10q square plus 6q minus 3. So when you means if if I integrate this d quantity or the q, this is gonna give me the total revenue from this. This is a marginal revenue because the value of marginal revenue is that. And we say when you integrate marginal revenue, we get total cost. So this, when you integrate, you're gonna get total cost. So now we're gonna say total cost equal. We can separate. We say that all the time. If you can watch my previous video, so we're gonna say my previous video. Excuse me. So we're gonna say integral 10q squared. We can separate for each integral. For the first one, integral 10q squared, but a 10 is a constant, so constant it can just go behind here. But let's separate 10q squared with a dq plus integral of 6q, but whenever there's an integral, it must be d something. dq, and then we plus, no, we're not plus, we minus integral 3 dq. Okay, let's see. My God. See, I made a mistake, but no problem. This is gone. But and then I'm gonna have to redo another video because it was kind of hidden, and you didn't see just like that. Come on, and you didn't tell me it was live here. Come on, guys. So we're gonna say, let me just do the first question, then I'm gonna redo the whole question because it was hidden. So we're gonna say now, we can just separate say total cost equal to 10 is gonna go behind. It's gonna be 10. I can simply write here, look, integral. This 10 is a constant, so it's gonna go behind. So integrate dot q squared dq. But look, this we're gonna say 10, but this is integral the power rule. Means you integrate something with the power. So write exactly q, but what you do, you see this power, add by 1. So 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So it's gonna be 3 over, means this add by 1, 3, and the same thing right at the denominator. That's how you integrate the power rule of integration. 10 is just a 10. Take this one, take the power, add by 1, and then the same number you go to the top, right to the bottom. Don't write integral anymore. So we come here, we play the same game. There's a 1 there. Oh yes, so we're gonna say plus. This is 6, it's just 6. So this is q power 1. So we take that q power 1, 1 plus 1 equal 2. So q squared over, take this number right at the bottom. Now we go for the last one. Look, if somebody give you integral of dp, it's going to give you p. Integral of dx is going to give you x. For that case, we're going to say we got minus. Okay, 3 is just a 3. It's like a 3 out because 3 must go behind. It's a constant term. So we have an integral of dq, which is going to give us q. So it's going to be 3 and q. And we must plus constant. You know why? Because we don't have a limit on this integral. There's no limit here. Here, there's no limit. So for that case, we want to say we plus a constant c. So we can simply simplify this one. So 10 over 3 just a 10 over 3, right? 10 over 3 q 3 plus 6 over 2 equal to 3 q and then 3 q plus c. So this is gonna be a total revenue cost of a function, which is the option number 1. So option number 1 is correct, but unfortunately, because this video was kind of scratched, so I'm not going to make it longer, but watch the next video. I'm going to explain the whole solution from beginning. Because of the calculator, I was careless. It did hide the solution somehow. So I'm wrong. I'm sorry. I'm going to have to redo this question all along because of your respect. So we can stop here.